Hi, I'm student trustee Jazmyn Garcia, and today I'll be taking board trustee Dr. Nathan Gonzales on a tour around Crafton Hills College and my favorite spots on campus.
I can't wait. I'm looking forward to Mr. Toad's wild ride.
Can you tell me what a trustee is anyway?
It's just a fancy name for the group of people who have been elected to help oversee how the college district itself operates.
Okay, so
the boring stuff like budget and making sure that we have, the right people in leadership positions within the district.
do you have a favorite experience of being a trustee?
I love commencement. That's like everything comes full circle and you see the looks on all the graduating students' faces, and that's when you know this is why we do what we do.
That makes a lot of sense. It's a beautiful ceremony every time. I have a random question for you.
Go for it.
If you were stuck on an island with one trustee, who would you choose?
I think I would choose Stephanie Houston.
Why?
She is a survivor. I mean, I think she does races and all kinds of stuff, and I bet she could figure out how to find food.
That is the most important part.
Probably build us a boat and get us off and row it the whole way.
Nice. So I am bringing you right now to the Honors Lounge. This is a space that all of our honor students get to access once they get enrolled in the program.
And this happens to be in my favorite section of the whole campus. There's so many of the original buildings here, and the design of the clock tower and the clock and the now Barbara Smith Event Center. These are my favorite buildings on campus.
This is actually one of my favorite spaces on campus too. Have you been here in spring when everything is blooming and it's the most beautiful smell ever? Yeah, I love just sitting out here and doing anything really, studying, relaxing. It's a gorgeous space.
Well, let's check it out.
Okay. So this is summer. There's not many students that come in this space during that semester, but during the fall and the spring, this place is very active, especially because it has some of the most comfortable couches that are on campus. And that is a big plus. And also the honors director, Judy, she bakes fresh baked goods every Monday.
Oh my goodness.
And I know that there's like the expression where you want to earn a sweet treat, but starting your week off with one is even better. So yeah, this is a space that we study in. We get to use the computers here, free printing on campus, which is huge too. And also just to relax, and there's also games and things that we play here too. There's tons of resources for honor students. It's a really special space.
What makes honors special to you?
Honestly, the community. I get to be around other students who are not afraid to sit in the front and ask questions, and I like being challenged. I like meeting people that are here to get things done, and that's just really similar to me. So the people that I get to meet along the way are definitely, that's the most special thing.
I have no idea if I'm hallucinating the smells, but I think I could still smell this. The summer probably took away everything, and it's just like muscle memory, but can you smell anything?
I can't really right now, but this really is one of my favorite places on campus. This whole collection of buildings is so interestingly designed.
Yeah.
To think students have been walking these corridors for more than 50 years.
I love that the trustees at that time selected an architect from the Coachella Valley who really understood building in a desert. And so he brought this brutalist modernism to this campus design. And so you can see all the concrete and the way that it evokes, looking skyward, and you also balance that in different buildings with huge amounts of glass, so it feels more indoor-outdoor. But I think this part of the campus is just stunning, and the way that the architect designed the clock tower is really fantastic.
When I hear the word brutalism, I'm like, there's no way that blends well with nature, but this is done so well.
Well, and even the color of the concrete is intended to evoke the same color of the soil.
Yeah, that makes sense. It's so interesting.
Thank you so much for taking the time to show me all your favorite places on campus.
Of course, anytime. And thank you all so much for joining us on this adventure.